Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make videos with Pictory AI on phone. So let's get into the video. So what you're going to do now here is open up your browser and log into Pictory AI on your browser, on your phone browser. So log in. So once you're on the once you've logged in and you're on your page here, it's like on the home page when you're logged in. So what you're going to do now here is you're going to create a video. So as you know, Pictory AI simply lets you convert your scripts into videos. Okay, any articles or script or anything, any text documents, you can easily convert it into videos. So I'll just show you how you can do that. So once you've logged in, so you can click on this script to video option here. And here, once you get to this point here, what you can do, you can like type your script here. You can either type it, or if you don't want to type it, you can also copy and paste from your other source. For example, let me do that. I'll just copy and paste just some random text from my notes. I'll just copy that. All right, and then I'll just paste it here. All right. Okay. Alright, so once you have pasted here, and then you can add a name to your video. I'll just put demo video. Alright, that's done. And then what you can do now, once you're done pasting, or once you're done with the text and everything, so you can click on this proceed option here. So click on proceed, and now it's going to show you a list of templates that you can use. All these are free templates, so you can choose any of these templates that you want to use for your video. For example, I will use just probably this one here. That's fine. I'm just choosing something, a random one. All right, so that's fine. This is enough. Okay, so let me choose that. So okay, once you have choose the template, then you're going to choose your video ratio on what ratio you want the video to be generated. So I want to create mine on 16:9. That's fine, that's enough for me, so I'll just use that one, and then I'll click on continue. So you can just select and continue. So this is now going to generate my text into a simple video, so I'll just wait for it to get it done. All right, so now my video has been generated here. So this is my video. It has been generated already. And what you can do, if you can also have the option to do some basic editing to your video. So on your left panel here, you can add visuals, all right, or you can add any elements or any audio options here, or if you want to add some text as well, so you can choose and add some text to your video here. All right, so you can do those things. And then there's some if you go to add some styles as well, you can do that, some different templates here. Or if you want to like trim the video, you have the option to trim and add voiceover. So all these options are here, so you can trim your you can add voiceover, you can trim it. So whatever you want to do some editing. So it's pretty simple. You can just click on it and then get it done. So once you're done with everything and all you're done with your editing, so now you can just save this video and download a copy for yourself. So, and then once you're done with the video, if you notice, like every time you make changes to this video, then it gets auto saved. So it saves automatically. So whatever changes you made, as you can see, it says saving changes. So every time you make changes, it will be auto saved, so which is one good thing. So it's changed, as you can see, it's saving the changes now, so it's pretty good. So once you're done with your customization or editing, so all you have to do now is just save this and download it. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.